Hello students, it's 19th of Jan 2021 and you all are welcome in my channel before Bansal, and I hope you all are very well at your places also. So here is our weekly test number 3 class 10 English subject. So let's first read our passage and find out the answers out of this. So here is the passage. Florence Chadwick was first woman to swim the English Channel in both directions. At the age of 34, her goal was to become the first woman to swim from Catalina Island to California coast. On the 4th of July morning in 1952, the sea was like an ice bath. The fog was so dense she could hardly see her support boats. She struggled on hour after hour while millions watched on television. Alongside Florence in one of the boats, her mother and her trainer offered encouragement. They told her that the goal wasn't much farther, but all she could see was fog. They urged her not to quit, but with only a half mile to go, she asked her to be pulled out. Several hours later, she told a reporter that it was not fatigue or even the cold water that defeated her, it was the fog. She was unable to see her goal. 2 months later, she tried again. It was the same dense fog, but she swam with her goal clearly pictured in her mind. She knew that somewhere behind the fog was land, and this time she succeeded. She became the first woman to swim the Catalina Channel, eclipsing the men's record by 2 hours. So it was our passage, and now we come to the first question. Who was encouraging Florence from one of the support boats? Who was encouraging Florence? Florence was encouraged by her mother and her trainer. You can see here. So answer is option number 3. Florence's mother and her trainer. Next question is, what made her give up when the goal was only half an hour away? It was only fog. The answer is fog, option 1. What made Florence to succeed the second time? It was the clarity of the goal in her mind. So option second, you can see, that made her succeed in the second time. By how many hours did she break the men's record? She broke the men's record by 2 hours. At the end line, you can see here in the passage, record by 2 hours. Which word in the given passage means tiredness? Tiredness means fatigue, option 1. So part B, MCQs, objective type questions of 6 marks. First, choose the right option for the following questions. From where do the planets get light? As we know that planets get light from the sun, so option A is right. The moon is the satellite of the dash. We know that the moon is the satellite of the earth, option B. The planets twinkle at night. Is it false or true? It's false. Who did the author meet in the hospital ward? The author met with Naeem, option A. The author regained his eyesight after the dash. The author regained his eyesight after the third operation, option C. The author knew that Naeem was also blind. It's false. And part D, translation and retranslation sentences. 3. Choose the correct translation of the given sentences, English to Punjabi. 1. Stars twinkle, planets do not. Answer is तारे चमकदे ਹਨ, ग्रह नहीं, option A. Second, At night you see thousands of stars in the sky. ਰਾਤ ਨੂੰ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਅਸਮਾਨ ਵਿੱਚ ਹਜ਼ਾਰਾਂ ਤਾਰੇ ਦੇਖਦੇ ਹੋ. Option C. The moon is called the satellite of the earth. ਚੰਦਰਮਾ ਨੂੰ ਧਰਤੀ ਦਾ ਉਪਗ੍ਰਹਿ ਕਿਹਾ ਜਾਂਦਾ ਹੈ. Option A. Our earth belongs to the family of the sun. ਸਾਡੀ ਧਰਤੀ ਸੂਰਜ ਦੇ ਪਰਿਵਾਰ ਨਾਲ ਸੰਬੰਧਿਤ ਹੈ. Option B. We think that the earth is very big. ਅਸੀਂ ਸੋਚਦੇ ਹਾਂ ਕਿ ਧਰਤੀ ਬਹੁਤ ਵੱਡੀ ਹੈ. Option A. Choose the correct English translation of these sentences. ਅਸੀਂ ਚਾਹ ਪੀ ਰਹੇ ਸੀ. We were taking tea. Option A. ਕੀ ਉਹ ਸਕੂਲ ਜਾ ਰਹੇ ਸਨ? Answer. Were they going to school? Option C. ਕੀ ਡਾਕਟਰ ਦੇ ਆਉਣ ਤੋਂ ਪਹਿਲਾਂ ਮਰੀਜ਼ ਮਰ ਚੁੱਕਾ ਸੀ? Answer. Had the patient died before the doctor came? Option B. ਮੈਂ ਉਦੋਂ ਤੱਕ ਸੜਕ ਪਾਰ ਕਰ ਚੁੱਕਾ ਹੋਵਾਂਗਾ. Answer. I shall have crossed the road by then. ਉਹ ਪਤੰਗਾਂ ਉਡਾਉਣਗੇ. They will fly kites. And at the last you can see, write a letter to your sister Muskan, giving her details of medical camp that your grandmother arranged recently. You are Anushka and live at 1441 Nayabadi, Kanna. This you can do yourself, students. So it was solution of weekly 3 test of English. So that was all about for my side. Meet you in next video. Till then, see you. Take care. Bye. So friends, this was all about the video. And if you liked the video, then subscribe the channel and like, share and comment here. And press the bell icon also, so that you can get a notification for every new video on this topic.